What's up mga kabites? It's your resident biter, really bite. Sorry. Welcome back to my channel. We are off to the basement 1 of Mitsukoshi BGC here sa Taguig City.
I thought we were in Muntinlupa.
Montaigne.
Muntinlupa.
So ano lang, magsa-search lang kami ng places to eat. Ano nga yung gusto mo dito? Meron kang nakita dito last time.
Yung Coco Ichiban ba yun? Kasi the last time I ate was back in Estrella pa. Doon sa may Capitolio pa. Estrella ba tawag? Basta doon.
Estancia.
Estrella!
Akala ko nag-Australia ka, gagi.
Estrella, Estancia pa, di ba? Kaya chaser talaga eh.
Estancia sa sa Capitolio.
Sa Capitolio, may God, nahihiya ako.
Okay
Pero
lang
yeah,
yan.
masarap yung Coco Ichiban nila doon.
Okay, so nung dumaan tayo dito, may nakita kang Coco Ichiban.
Yeah, may nakita ako na small stall kasi masarap talaga yung curry nila doon. I'm a curry guy. Hindi skip yung curry. Tapos, yung food court nila dito medyo blurred. Hindi nakikita
Dito?
ko. Yeah, blurred na siya.
Ang nagustuhan ko dito last
Hindi ba
time.
blurred? Hindi ba blurred?
Hindi naman. Pero kasi Mitsukoshi, so Japanese mall siya. Pero nung we went here last time, we had really fun experience just looking around kasi it didn't feel like you're in the Philippines. So,
Para ka nasa airport.
Para ka nasa airport?
Yeah.
Hong Kong
actually,
Airport?
Yeah, ganito yung vibe doon.
Okay, ito yung vibe. So, hanapin na natin yung Coco Ichiban. No, dito tayo nag-left tayo that time.
Oo, kasi parang
May oysters. So, ayan lang yung mga food cheap.
Then let's go here.
So, I'll reverse na lang the mic so you can see
Ayan na yung
everyone.
curry house. Coco Ichiban. Yan yun.
Oh, ayan yun?
Ayan yun.
So, let's ikot na lang din muna. Let's show them around first. And then, let's see if you want to go back there. But feeling mo, ay, mahaba yung pila, girl.
Or hindi.
Sakto lang.
Let's just check first.
Sige. So, ito yung Chongbaro Express. Ito yung craving niya. Coco Ichiban Kitchen. And,
Di ba 499? Masarap yun.
okay naman siya. I think so. Masarap ba?
Yeah.
Okay, sige. So, okay naman yung mga meals niya. I think it's chill lang. Mga 430 per meal. So, okay lang. No? Not bad. Sige, go. Let's check other places. And as you can see right now, you feel like you're in the Philippines. It doesn't feel like...
Uy, Mitsuya the Seaman. Seaman.
I think I've tried that.
Seaman?
No? Uy, grabe ka. Mitsuyado.
Seaman. Yung basa
Say.
doon. Say or Seaman. Bakit? Ano bang inaano mo?
Grabe ka. Wait lang. So, this is the basement 1 again of Mitsukoshi Mall. So,
Basement 2 ba sila?
yeah, I think so. May escalator eh.
Gusto mo ba mo?
Check natin.
Sige, check mo dali ka.
Wait lang, ang cute ng dogs. Hi. Wala na siyang something
Wala,
there.
autopay lang niya. Wala
I think
na.
it's just like that. Okay, so hindi na kami nag-basement 2 kasi there's nothing there. And we're looking around the same way we did the first time. Pero that first time kasi, I wasn't vlogging. So right now, I'm vlogging just so you get the feel.
All Japanese brands ata dito. Ilan na yung American
Ay, may
brands.
True Value din. Habang kumakain ka, magta-True. Ay, may coffee. Coffee ba yun?
Saan?
Can we try to find coffee na lang din here? Ay,
How
pizza
about
pala
your...
siya.
Alam mo na?
Ala,
Kala ko mag-pick up
butter-
coffee ka.
Wait lang, may gusto ko. Here mo.
Kala ko mag-pick up coffee. Kala ko mag-pick up coffee.
Baka mag-pick up coffee tayo. Tingnan natin. Oh my gosh. So, Kurimu. Ice cream. May coffee. Ayun, may coffee
Coffee
bean. Alam mo ba, may trivia ako. I haven't tried coffee bean.
OA ka?
Yeah, really. I haven't.
Okay na naman yung coffee nila doon. Medyo sweet na. May bread talk din.
Oo nga, alam mo, may favorite ako sa bread talk. Katsudonya Psycho. So, syempre, Katsudonya. So, it really doesn't feel like you're in the Philippines here. For me lang I haven't been abroad. But JC has been abroad several times and he would agree na it doesn't feel like you're in the Philippines.
It really feels like I'm in Carrefour right now.
So, ano siya, may Mitsukoshi Fresh. I believe this is their groceries. So, ano siya.
Alam ko na yung style nila. Very Hong Kong yung loob ng Mitsukoshi. Parang airport style lang. Para alam mo yung sa duty free, yung mga gano'n. Tapos dito, ay, may beard papas dito?
Ano yan?
This is what we ate back in Taiwan. Yung mga cream puffs.
Oh, there. Ito yun.
Pero ang lalaki naman ng cream puffs.
Mas maliit dito
Mas
yung
maliit
sa'yo.
dyan, miniature.
Pero yan siya.
Yeah, pero yan siya.
Ayun
Pero
yung
mas
picture
maliit.
na sinabi.
Yeah. Masarap. Never thought na meron sa Philippines.
Sige,
Masarap yan.
let's try that for dessert after.
Sige, masarap yung beef papas. So,
And dapat mag-workout kami after church kasi kakagaling lang namin sa St. Michael's Archangel Church.
Later na yung workout, gusto ko muna kumain.
Yeah, true. Kain muna kami. Pero based lang sa usual namin, we usually do, okay, this is
Dito masarap din dito sa CR.
Ganun talaga ha. So modern Mediterranean, Tokyo Glam. Ang ganda
Wala na,
here
kasi
sa
comfort-
basement,
comfort
sobrang
na dito.
saya niya. Pero
Coconut
yung
cheese factory.
Pero yung ano nila, yung matcha house something, nasa first floor siya, nasa entrance. Feeling ko mas bagay yun dito sa baba.
Alam mo yung sa KFC, sa Wada ako doon.
Di ba yan yung ano, inaakyat mo, yung bundok sa Sawada?
Di ba yan yung anak ni Sasuke tsaka ni Sakura? Si Sawada Uchiha. Di yan siya makarelate.
Hindi ko kilala yun.
Di siya makarelate. Yung mga nakaka-relate dyan will agree with me.
Okay, so Gongcha. Gongcha, wish your girlfriend was hot like me. Wait lang, meron ba? Oh no, I'm scared.
Medyo ano dito sa
Fukuhachi. Akala ko
I think you stepped on my
Akala ko
shoe.
fuku ng ina. Ay, sorry.
It's okay.
Akala ko fuku ng ina. So I think we're near na ulit.
Dahil food court ulit. Makita corner mo rin pala dito.
Ooh. May mga Philippine stores din pala sila. It's not lang mga
Wala pa silang pouchin dito.
Itadaki Food Court.
Ito yun yung buong.
So I think we're back na sa aming mga
Kasi pag pumunta
Kakainan.
parang nalibot natin.
nalibot na namin. So we are gonna proceed with the curry. Sorry, I stepped on your
Wala
your Vomero from Taiwan na limited edition.
Wala lang yan.
Wala lang yan. Manila inasal. Ikikiss na lang kita later. Okay lang ba?
Okay.
Okay. Alam mo ba, naapakan yung Jordans sa kanina, sa, ang tawag dito, sa Egypt. So we're back. Let's make
Egypt,
pila na.
Alexandria, sa Cairo.
Sa Cairo. Sa Cairo, Egypt. So we're making pila na. Do you have a recommendation of what I should try?
I think you should try
To be silent.
the curry house.
The mismong curry house.
Wait lang. In-order ko kasi dyan before, parang may egg tas yung katsudon. Sarap siya eh.
Sige.
Para medyo heavy yung meal.
Okay lang. Heavy naman ako. Heavy got it. So, oh my God, I'm so excited to try yung beer papas.
Kung maghanap na kaya ng ng upuan.
Sige ha, I'll make chicken na lang.
Sige.
And then, if
Huwag mo itutok sa purse ko. Sabihin kita
wait lang, order for me. Ha?
Sige.
But we should be different para we can try different things.
Okay, sige.
Sige, try something na you're
What will you
interested
have? Water?
Okay,
Water lang.
surprise me.
Water lang.
But if you speak, you will be heard sa video. Oh my God, there's a chair already.
Dito na. Pwede na to.
Dito na agad.
Pero naanuhan tayo dyan ng
Yeah, walang somewhere better eh.
Are you okay with this?
Okay lang yan. Pero I'll try to find something else na meron pa later.
Okay.
Hi, JC. I like your shirt. Ang ganda ng top mo.
Yung top ko?
I'm your top. So, ayun lang. That's it for today's vlog. If you haven't yet, click like, drop your comments, subscribe to my channel, follow all of my social media. Nasa baba lang po lahat ng links. And we'll do Curry House, Coco Ichiban, Kitchen. So, it's in another vlog. The link will be nasa baba lang. Just go ahead and watch that. And review what JC will choose for me. So,
What's up mga kabites?
pero for sure, yung link niya nasa baba na agad. Tsaka watch. Ayun lang. Bye! Mag-shoot pala kami mga. Yung after dinner, dessert, tapos coffee. May coffee ba sa Beer Papas? Okay, tapos coffee after.
Yeah. Pwede mo.
Tapos after nun, gym na.
Hindi
Kailangan natin maaga matapos mag-gym kasi para may bonding pa tayo after. Kasi may work ka tomorrow.
Yeah.
Ayun lang.
Light workout lang to.
Ha?
Light workout lang.
Light workout?